Welcome to day 11. Today I'll be in the kitchen again for another easy Halloween treat. Grab your materials to make these yummy giant candy buttons. You need light green candy melts, a dropper, cupcake holders, olive oil, a toothpick, and a glass cup. You can follow the same method that I mentioned in other videos on how to melt your candy. Once it is smooth, use a dropper to fill the cupcake holders about a third of the way. I added a few candy eyes and placed them in the freezer to harden. Remove the buttons from the cups and serve. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.